Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we will discuss about the picking policies in Odoo 18 inventory module. So, picking policies in Odoo inventory are crucial for managing how orders are processed and shipped. So, let's delve into the two primary options. You can just dive into the inventory module to manage with the shipping policies and picking policy. So, under the configuration settings, we can find an option called picking policy under the operations. So, this says when to start the shipping. So, there are two options, that is ship product as soon as available with back orders, and the other one is that ship all products at once. Now let's see how does it work. So for that, let's consider a product over here. So as you just move on to the product here, you would be able to find I have just made two products as my favorite, that is the individual space with 16 quantity and large desk with 5 quantity. And what we have to do is that we have to create an order. So to create the order, you can just dive into the sales module. So when the order is placed, Odoo creates a picking order for each available product immediately. So if a product is out of stock, a back order is created for the remaining quantity. So here I'm going to choose the customer over here. The deco addict is going to place the order, and we can just fill out the product, that is the individual workspace. And here we know that we have only 16 quantities, and I have just set the picking policy as ship products as soon as available with back orders. So even if we don't have sufficient quantity, we can create a back order for the remaining quantities. So this is suitable for the business that prioritizes quick fulfillment and want to ship available items promptly, and even if the entire order cannot be shipped at once. And this policy is ideal for the customers who are willing to accept the partial shipments. So you can just save this and confirm the order. So you can see that currently the quotation is just moved into the sales order state. And here you can see that we haven't delivered the item. So as we haven't delivered the item, it is indicated by the Odoo in a red color over here. Now, as you just move on to the other info, you can also see that we have a shipping policy field, and here you can see that as soon as available will be automatically configured as per the configuration of picking policy under the inventory module. Now let's move on to the order lines, and we just need to deliver the item to the customer. So as we just move on to the delivery, here you can see that demanded quantity by the customer is 20, but we have only 16 quantity. So here we can see the check availability button. So as we just click on check availability and we don't have the sufficient quantity in our stock, we cannot check the availability because it only updates the 16 quantity what we have in our stock. Now you can just click on validate button to process the order. So as you just click on validate, here you can see that either we can create a back order or no back order. So if the customer is just going with the no back orders, then the customer has to just forget about the rest of the quantity that he has made order. So if he is going with back order, then once the product is back, we can just deliver that rest of the quantity to the customer. So I'm going to create the back order over here. So that currently we are just going to deliver the demanded, 16 quantity, that is what we have in our stock. So you can see we are just going with multi steps in delivering the item. So currently we have picked the item, and we just need to move it into the output uh, location, and let's move to validate, so that by clicking on validate button we can just deliver the item to the customer side. So we have just done with this. Okay, now uh, we are just going to discuss about the other one, that is ship all products at once. So again, we just need to move into the inventory module, and we have to change the picking policy. So I'm going to set the picking policy as ship all products at once. So as I have changed the settings over here, I just need to make sure that I'm saving it in the settings. So once everything is done, let's dive into the sales module again, and we just need to create an order. So here I'm going to create the order by choosing the customer as ready mat, and I'm going to choose the other product, which is large desk. So here we know that we have 5 items in our stock, and I'm going to place an order for 10 quantity. So here you can see that we don't have sufficient quantity over here, which means it is indicated in the red color. And let me save this and confirm the order. So you can see currently the quotation has just moved into the sales order and we just need to deliver the item to the customer. But in this case, you can see the 5 item is automatically reserved over here. And we cannot check the availability and cannot validate this process. So, Odoo waits until all products in an order are available before creating a single picking order. So, if any order, if the product is missing, the entire order is put on hold until the missing item arrives. So, here you can see that it is in its waiting state. So, it is best suitable for the business that prioritizes complete order fulfillment and want to ship all items together. And this policy is ideal for the customer who expects to receive their entire order in one shipment. So, in order to ship this item, first we have to just update the quantity. So, let's see how can we update the quantity. So, currently you can see we just solved 10. Currently we have only 5 items and we just need to uh, update the quantity. So, I'm going to update the quantity as 10 over here. Afterwards, let's move on to the large desk over here and let's see. Currently, we have updated the quantity. Now, as you just move on to here and check the availability, here you can see that as the product is available right now, we can just deliver the item to the customer. So, as the product is available, the waiting of the product is just moved into the ready state, and you can just click on validate so that the item will be moving from ready to done state. So, this is the optimal picking policy depends on your business model and customers' expectations and inventory management strategies. So, by carefully considering your business needs and customer preferences, you can select the most appropriate picking policies to optimize your order fulfillment process in Odoo. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.